So I'll just quickly go through the resources that are available to the user to provide information as one is evaluating the activity. What is called end-to-end climate risk management resources, and they're end-to-end because they respond to the full cycle of the risk management. And here we have 4 tools. Those, you'll see the tool in this one instance is called Climate, Environment, and Disaster Risk Reduction Integration Guidance Pact, CDRIG, which was developed by the Swiss Agency for Development Cooperation. So you see the name of the tool here, the author or the organization, decision-making processes, that is to what the tool responds, in this instance, a project, program, or strategic plan, or the focus or the approach is disaster risk reduction and integration. There are icons below that open up a dialog box to tell you the characteristics of the tool. In this instance, it responds to disaster risk reduction. It is user-friendly, and once you place a cursor over the icon, it tells you what that tool is about. In this instance, this one provides costing and financing information. This is a link to the tool, and it opens up the document, and one can simply use the document and provide additional information to the assessment. There's another tool here, the Caribbean Risk Management Guidelines for Climate Change Adaptation Decision Making, again developed by CARICOM, responds to projects, programs, and legislation. This is done for the Caribbean. And there are 2 more tools, one developed by the GIZ, and of course, the Global Water Partnership, Caribbean, and 5 Cs on water. So these tools respond to the full risk management cycle and provide additional information for the report development or for the user. Beyond the tools, there is also a toolbox, and this toolbox, a number of other tools. There are about 167 tools available within this document that could also be used to provide information on any aspect of the development. So if you're looking at awareness raising, if you saw at the bottom here, there were 167 tools. I clicked on the awareness raising. So this allows you to fine-tune your selection. In other words, a user doesn't have to run through all the 167 tools to determine what it is they need. You click on the boxes here, select your appropriate topic, and then it searches for the tools for you. In this instance, this provides 7 tools out of 167. The tool type we wanted was one on awareness raising sector. For the coastal sector, it did a search and came up with 7 tools. We click on search here, and then we get metadata on the 7 tools that are found. Notice this says the toolbox, search results, 7 tools found. These are the 7 tools which were found, and one can click on those tools and get the full document. Notice that there are clickable links for each of those tools. So this is throughout the entire CCORAL, which has 167 plus tools within it that are accessible to the user. The last is what we call the regional clearinghouse. Now on the right hand side here you will see resources, and it says search 5C's clearinghouse. Click on that button, it opens up the clearinghouse. Clearinghouse has quite a bit of information within it pertinent to all the countries in the region. 5C's actually has the largest repository of climate related information in the region, part of the mandate of the center. Now when we clicked on this, because initially we went into the Jamaica page, it's picked up information pertinent to Jamaica. So you will see all the documents that are already listed here, information or documents pertinent to Jamaica or relevant to issues that are critical to Jamaica itself. Notice that it says on the left hand side where you have those boxes, search type, the clearinghouse database, documents all, country Jamaica, and these are all documents that are pertinent to the user. You can change the country from Jamaica to anywhere else. So I'm going to click Barbados. It's loading, it's searching for documents pertinent to Barbados, and I'll pick up Barbados specific information as well. So the user is not restricted to their country information, but if it is felt there's information in any part of the region that is relevant to the work that is being assessed, you can simply click on the country and you can fine-tune your search to get information you want. For example, this is your description here, but you can refine your search by sector and by topic as well. So these are the resources available in CCORAL to enable the user to produce a report that addresses all the key concerns that are relevant to making the decision on the activity that is under review.